to assemble this C clamp and its parts. So we have all their parts, both the clamp, the rod, and the rest of them. So we'll be looking at how to assemble them. So go to file, but before then, you see this is the parts and what happens. So to show you that it is well assembled, so constrained, we'll be looking at it. Let's place it. Let's go to file, go to new assembly, so go to place, but before then let's change this to word. Go to place, so wherever you save your drawing, so mine, I save it in pictures and as a folder clamp. So I will now import the C clamp. So you can rotate, so I want it to be, let's click on rotate X axis. Oh yes, so click and right click and click on OK. So it's now come up, but I have to make this to become my set it as front view, current view, then set this as fit to view, so that it cannot rearrange itself. It cannot be giving you another face whenever you click on home. So after that, you go to place again and select your screw. Okay, click on X axis. Okay, so use constraint, click and click. So I'll be turning it to align. Yes, so it will be facing the other way around, pointing towards the inside. So apply, click on apply. Alright, so go to place again and select the bar. Okay, and let's use rotate Y axis. Okay, use constraints, select once the center line is appearing and select that to fit in. Click on apply. Okay, go to place again, select your cap and I'll be rotating it Y axis. Yes, click and go over the other way, rotate Y axis and click. Okay, so go to constraint. If you go to constraint, select that and select that. Right, so apply. To mate it, select that face and select the face, apply. Right, so go to over to this one, select the line and select, so change the direction. Alright, and go to apply. To mate it, select this and select this, apply. So that's it. Go again to the place and select your pusher, select and import. rotate x-axis, place, okay. Constraint, select and select, yes, apply. So to mate it, select that face, and okay, to mate it, select this face and select this face, apply. Alright, so that's it. So let me ground this and check this. So it's still making the same movement. So that's how to assemble the drawing. So I urge you guys to subscribe to the channel so that you get notification whenever I drop any tutorial.